What's up, YouTube fuckers? Doing a bike check. Seen a lot of people have their bikes on, so I decided to do mine. Both of mine, I guess. Start up front. I got the Aaron Ross keyboard grips. And then I got Primo Pro. What's up? Dude, what are you guys doing here? When did you get that bike? That thing's fucking sweet. Yeah, that's my new lawnmower, but shut up, I'm doing my bike check right now. My Primo Pro handlebars, got a Shadow stem in purple, FSA headset, got a 59 Patriot sticker up there, got Odyssey forks, I got my stolen roulette front wheel, and then move this way. Dude, come on! What the f***? Get your ass out of here! Quit, dude! Get the fuck out! Leave! You're fucking dumb. Doing a damn bike check. I got a Shadow Conspiracy seat, a Nike headband around it. Got my Odyssey plastic pedals, like them. Got Eastern green cranks. Got my Eastern Medusa Light sprocket, purple. Dude, you guys need to shut the fuck up. I got my purple chain. And I got my Alienation Free Culture wheel. Like it, I guess. And then, here's my other bike. Just got a couple days ago. I also have a stolen front wheel on this one. It's orange. I got orange plastic pedals, obviously, on these. And, yeah, that's about it. It's my bike check.